This is how you add paintbrush transition in Premiere Pro. First, I have two clips, a video clip where I need to add a transition, and a paintbrush overlay. By the way, you can download all project-related assets from the video description. Stay tuned for the password, which will pop up halfway through the video. Let's bring the clip onto the timeline. To add the transition between different scenes, let's cut 3 different scenes from the clip. You can position the transition precisely between your video clips if necessary. Now, I'm importing the paintbrush overlay just above the clip. But here's the issue: how do we get rid of that black paint to reveal the clip underneath? First, select the overlay clip and go to the Effect Controls panel. Set the blend mode to screen. Now it's looking pretty good, but I want to end it with my channel logo and name. Notice, password is flickb2. Let's import the image onto the timeline and scale it down. I'm adding the channel name as well. Next, apply a cross-dissolve transition to both the image and text layers by pressing Ctrl or Command D. After following these steps, this is what you'll end up with.